This is the new Terra Pro multifunction mini vacuum cleaner. It charges with a Type C USB cable, and it's nice and portable. It has an onboard battery so that you could go out and clean your car without having to track that big cable all around and try and make sure that it fits. Everything comes in the box that you need, all the attachments, the charge cable, everything else comes with a filter, and it's just super mobile. Something that I'm planning on keeping in my car going forward so that I can get all those little crumbs and crackers and stuff from my kids out of the back seat whenever I need to. So if you're in the market for a vacuum, you got to check this product out.